Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming at you with a video about my deep conditioning routine. As you can see, my hair is looking pretty crazy. It's extremely dry. It's got basically no moisture in it at all. I work in the elements, so I'm out outside all day. It's winter, it's snowing, it's freezing cold, and my hair is just not feeling it at all. So I definitely wanted to use this opportunity where you guys can see my hair at its pretty much worst to show you how I bring life back into my hair, moisture, bounce, shine, all that. So you guys just sit tight, and this is my deep conditioning routine.
I didn't wanna breathe out, and my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt.
So you guys can use any deep conditioner that you want, obviously, but this time I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafuru Oil Intense Hydration Repair Mask. And typically I use the Superfruit Complex mask. As most of you know, I've mentioned this mask in almost all of my hair videos. But I wanted to show you guys something different since, like I said, I mentioned it in almost all my hair videos. And both masks are incredible. I recommend them both. This mask I felt was better for my needs this time because my hair was just incredibly dry and I really needed to restore that moisture. So I typically like to leave my deep conditioning mask in for 30 minutes to an hour, sometimes more. There's really no set way that I do this. It just depends on how much I think my hair needs. So this time, since my hair was just so dry, I left it on for pretty much the entire day. I don't like to sleep in my deep conditioner because it will drip and things like that, so I don't typically do that a lot. But I left it on for about 12 to 15 hours while I did stuff around the house, and then I ended up rinsing it out. The other times I will sit and I will actually use like a hooded dryer too, but I didn't do that this time.
Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until
So as you guys can now see, my hair is a lot more moisturized. You can tell that there is way more definition than there was from the beginning, before my hair was even washed, when it was just one big puff ball with no visible definition at all. Even after I washed my shampoo and conditioner out of my hair, I didn't have this much definition. It's really the deep conditioning mask that brings that definition back because it's hydrated your hair and your hair can spring right back into life like mine did here. So from then on, I basically just style my hair as desired. Now that it's got the moisture back and it's ready to be styled and ready to go, I really don't need to do much else. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Love ya.